Hello everyone and welcome to our new series on learning C Sharp. In today's video, I will start by introducing what is the C Sharp programming language and I will explore its application in the world of software development. So C Sharp is a very powerful and versatile programming language developed by Microsoft. You know, Microsoft is one of the top IoT company in the world after Google, you can say. It finds extensive use in a variety of domains, means that we can develop different kinds of application using the C sharp. For example, desktop application development. So C sharp is widely used for creating Windows desktop application like Windows Form and WPF applications, right? Then we can use the C sharp programming language in the web applications. So for the web development, C sharp is utilized with a framework such as ASP.NET MVC and ASP.NET Core, enabling developers to build scalable and dynamic web applications. Okay. Then in the mobile application world, we can also use C Sharp for the developments of mobile applications like Xamarin. It is a popular framework for the development of mobile application for Android, iOS, Windows, and sharing a common code base. Okay. Now we can also use C Sharp for the game development. It is a popular choice for game development, particularly with the Unity game engine that allowing the developers to build games for various platforms. I am just introducing the applications because C Sharp is a very powerful and a very popular programming language. So it is used in lots of application. No, as I discussed that it is used in the games and it is also used in the cloud services like Azure for scalable and reliable cloud services. Then in the world of IoT, we can also use the C sharp for the development of Internet of Things like embedded devices like Wi-Fi, the embedded device in the cars, in the fridge, and in the other electronic devices. So in this series, we will cover all the essential aspects of C sharp programming language. I will start with the basics covering topics such as variables, data types, control flows, and methods. Then I will dive into the object oriented programming concepts like classes, inheritance, and polymorphism. Then I will explore advanced topics such as asynchronous programming. I will explain the the language integrated queries in front of you. I will show you how to handle the exceptions in C sharp and much more. I am committed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of C sharp. I will try to equip you with the skills you need to develop different types of applications using the C sharp programming language. Whether you are a beginner to C sharp or looking to deepen your knowledge in this programming language, this series will cover all the important aspects of the C sharp programming. So let's get started our journey to master the C sharp programming language together.